Hi, you're welcome to Cross TV. Today I'll be showing you another wonderful platform you can manage to make good income for yourself. And as I always said, it requires hard work. It requires hard work. Once you put in the hard work and you are consistent and dedicated on this strategy, you will surely be making good thing for yourself online. So now go to your browser and search for a platform named Fiverr.com. 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 So this is Fiverr.com. I want you to search for flyers, 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 flyers design. We'll be doing what these people are doing for themselves to make good income for themselves. You can see this person says still loading, still loading, still loading. Says I will design your awesome flyer graphic within 24 hours. Design awesome flyer for you. Then 24 hours for just $20. For just $20, 1 day delivery. You can see. So we design wonderful flyer for you. Already have 1,614 people visited it, and I'm quite sure among just 1,640 people that visited, we have up to 500 to 600 who have what already gave him job to perform, who have already gave him task to perform. So let's see. Some will currently have order in queue. Let's check the top rated seller. I'm very sorry for the slow rate of data here. So you can see this person has 8 orders in queue already, and he's designing his own flyers for $40 for each design. Wow, I still has 8 orders in queue already. You can see this person is making for just designing flyers. So what all these people are doing for this, that's what we will be emulating. So if you wanted to create this type of profile, I wanted you to check my previous video. First of all, you need to join Fiverr. Once you join Fiverr, then we need to create a seller's account. You need to create a seller's account. So if you wanted to learn how you can do that, check my previous video. Surely learn how I create seller's account on Fiverr. So now let me show you a good platform you can go to start creating flyers for people on this platform. Now we'll be going to a platform named canva.com. Canva.com. What is canva.com? Canva is a graphic design platform that enable you to create graphics related activities. So the platform is loading. So we're searching for flyers. So you can see flyer portrait. Let's click on it. So just go can see these are all quality flyers design. Then you design the flyer. You design the flyer. You can see this is a good design flyer. All you just need to do to start designing, to just click on it. Then you edit. Then you add whatever design you intend adding. If it's B, A B. If it's the if you wanted to add another info, then you add it to it. You can see ID boss. So that's just it. That's just it. So if you want a full in-depth video on how you can design on Canva, I will be doing that very soon on my platform. So just go to this platform. Once you get a client in need of flyer, then come to this platform, then you help them design the flyers, then you send back the flyer to the client, then you have your cool cash. That's just it, no more than that. So if you wanted to download the flyer now, click the top right hand corner, then you have a png file download, then you click on download. Once it downloads, then you can send back the flyer back to the client. So that's just how it works on this platform. Kindly hit the notification bell and the subscribe button so you'll be the first to be notified anytime I dropped awesome video just like this. Thanks.